Today we're here at Tanager Way, a fantastic house in Bird Street. Let me show you around some details of the house. Here in the kitchen, some of the fantastic countertops, marble. Look at this. More details. Things like that. High quality details. And then of course integrated coffee machine here, double oven, and fabulous views. Another cool feature is the bucket doors. See? The entire window here is inside the wall. So there's nothing. It's open inside, outside, flow, really cool. That pool is a little skinny and it just allows you to make laps. So again, lap pool, good for swimmers. So another cool feature I really like is that those pocket doors open as an angle right here, right where we are. So you see there's no beam to support the ceiling on that corner, it's on the side. So when you open those doors fully, you really have that space indoor, outdoor, completely open with that angle hidden in the walls. Let's go check out other rooms. Another cool feature is that suspended fireplace. As you can see, the entire piece is suspended from the ceiling, which is very rare. It's a very difficult technical achievement. This door is amazing. It's super heavy. I'm not sure you can see that on the video. And then when it closes, it looks like a wall. So that's a really cool thing I like in this house. Hey, let's take a look at that TV, okay? So that TV goes inside the floor. They're still working on it, they're fixing it right now, but there's a top that goes here that is a piece of stone that will hide the TV in the floor, you won't see anything. So that's another cool feature of the house. Let's go take a look at the master bathroom, the primary bathroom. So first, let's look at this walk-in closet. Ready, come on. Can you see that space? This is for your accessories. So the glass allows you to see every piece of accessory you have, your watches, your necklaces and stuff. Really cool. And then your entire wardrobe is protected with glass, so you don't have any dust on your clothes. It's not completely open, but you still can see through it. So that's a cool feature. Let's go take a look at the primary bathroom. So this tub is really cool. It's not glass, it's like some type of heavy plastic. So I guess it's less fragile. Then marble on the wall. really hope the glass is tainted because there's no curtain. So everybody can see inside the shower. So I guess it's tainted. Let's say it's tainted. Alright, let's go take a look at the basement. Follow me. So look at this basement, okay? Fantastic. Entertainment room, lounge area, pool table, bar. I'm going to show you the gym. Follow me. So of course every good house has a pilates machine, a yoga area, of course a peloton bike. For those who don't know what a peloton bike is, it's a bike with a membership and someone will force you to drive faster and stronger. And then, of course, every good house will have sauna and a steam shower. They say sauna will, 3 times sauna per week will increase your life expectancy, so always a good feature to get. Nice little marble vanity in the middle. It's all about details, so that house has a lot. Let's go take a look at other nice features, including a really cool home theater. Here's the theater. So a lot of homes have home theaters, but what I really like about this one, it's the details. So the wood paneling is high quality. The door, you might not have seen the door, but it's a door that is very big and really shuts down the noise from the outside to the inside. The ceiling has those little stars on it, which is really cool. And then the seating is interesting. They decided to go with an option with a huge L shape down there and a more flat bed area on that side. Very comfortable. Again, all those details have been thought through thoroughly. So let's go see more details. Look at this bar, really cool bar. Marble, I guess it looks like copper on the side panels. And then from that TV lounge area, you'll have it's open now, but it's kind of a secret door when it's closed. And it gets you to 2 extra bedrooms. En-suite, so private bathroom and private closet for each rooms. Just for guests, you know, extra space, and then their hangover from partying in your basement, they can stay here and be comfortable. So anyway, I think that's a lot of good details for you to look at today. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.